Hey Jimmy, there's always something new to learn, and here in Road Kitchen, we learn by playing with our food. Today, we're learning all about bao. What is bao, Jimmy?
Bao? So the recipe is water, sugar, instant yeast, red flour. So it's basically kind of like a sweetened yeast dough.
That's right, and it's steamed instead of baked, right?
Although some are baked.
Some are baked.
And then when you bake them, you just kind of baste it with a little bit of a glaze.
Okay.
Towards the end, so it gets nice and kind of sweet on the outside, like a barbecue pork, baked barbecue pork buns.
Yeah.
Those are quite delicious. But you're right. Traditionally, most of them are steamed.
Yeah.
And they come in a few different forms. So a lot of times you'll just see like the ball with the four pieces brought up to the top, where as it steams and bakes and it kind of separates out and you see the filling on the inside.
Oh, nice.
And it's nice, thick, white bread all around it.
Yeah.
Which is perfect for sopping up some soy sauce.
Yum.
The soy sauce with a little vinegar, or putting some sriracha and just kind of sopping up all the sauce from everything.
Yeah.
But then, and I'm not sure when it was introduced or how long they've been around, but what's really popularized them here in the States and so many restaurants have bao at home, or like the folded bao.
Okay.
Right? It's a little bit easier because you can make the bun.
Yeah.
And then you just open it up and then you put your filling.
Put your filling in there. Well, I tell you what, we've got some filling here, right? We have some char siu.
Yeah, which is a traditional filling.
Right, which is pork belly braised in a very flavorful liquid of like teriyaki and brown sugar, ginger, mirin. Did I say soy sauce? Maybe. A little bit of rice wine vinegar and some rice wine as well. That's braised and then sliced thin. A lot of times we also find that in ramen.
Yeah,
right?
Absolutely.
So we took some of that and we cut it up and we sauteed it, right? And we
with a little extra veg.
Yeah.
Some actually dumpling filling.
Yeah.
From an event we did last Thursday with the APITA group, because it is Asian Pacific Islander Appreciation Month.
Oh, there you go.
And so we made dumplings last week with APITA, and they had some leftover ginger, garlic, green onions all chopped up for us.
That's it, yeah.
Which made a perfect little add-on to this, right?
Yeah, definitely. This is an incredibly tasty mixture here. So I'm going to go grab the bao buns off the steamer over here. All right?
I'm going to sneak a bite. Just a little
some of our bao buns here. Ooh, that is really warm.
I mean, it did just come out of a steamer.
It did just come out of a steamer, right? So we have...
Ooh, nice.
How about that, huh? How about that for effect? All right, so
yeah, these are, oh yeah. They're nice and light and fluffy.
Nice.
Pillowy. They're like little pillows of love.
Oh, gotta love pillows of love.
Yeah, so
what, we just barely open these guys up?
Yep.
Take a little bit of our mixture here. Put it inside of here. Oh, look at that. So these have been steaming for like about 15 or 20 minutes. So, oh, look at that. It's just this lovely, crispy pork belly mixture here, right? A little bit of sweet, a little bit of salty. There's fresh onion, ginger, scallion, cilantro in there. Oh man,
nice.
That is
all
yum.
Right. You know what this reminds me of?
What does this remind you of?
Tacos.
Tacos. What do you think
about Taco Bao?
Taco Bao. Oh, Taco Bao.
Totally
something
Taco
different.
Bao.
Oh, totally do Taco Bao.
We are supposed to play with our food, right?
We are supposed to play with our food. That's right.
All right. Well, here. These are traditional and they are delicious.
Yeah.
So let's play with our food.
All right.
Well, and then we'll do a taste test.
Then we'll do a taste test.
Right.
Okay. So with that,
through the magic of television.
Through the magic of television, we have a bunch of different ingredients over here. All right. So one of the things that we have
what do we need for a taco?
We need ground beef, seasoned ground taco beef, right? So, excuse me. So we have some here, okay? Along with that, we need some diced tomatoes. We need some cheese.
We're just going for a traditional Taco Bao, right?
That's right. And we have a little bit of taco sauce. Now, if you wanted some sour cream, you could definitely put some sour cream on there. We don't have any.
Now, this may be a copycat recipe of
of a certain
taco place that's pretty popular.
Certain taco place that is popular amongst Saturday night bingers. Anyway,
1 in the morning. Yeah.
1 in the morning, whatever. Okay, so let's put some of these together.
What about the shredded lettuce? You got shredded lettuce?
Oh, I do have shredded lettuce. Yes, right here. Absolutely. There we go. We've got some serrano chilies here if you'd like.
Ooh.
We have some pickled onions as well. If you'd like some pickled onions here. Okay.
All right.
And then some other ingredients
now,
we have over here too.
Can we make it a supreme? Do we have any sour cream?
We do have sour cream around here somewhere. I just don't know where it is.
That's okay. That's
okay.
fine.
All right. So
sometimes I don't like sour cream anyways.
Yeah.
All right. Let's make some taco bao.
Let's make some taco bao. Taco bao, playing with your food.
All right. From what I remember
taco
from those 1 o'clock in the morning runs, it's beef first, right?
Beef first, yeah.
Beef is always in the bottom. And
now, I like mine really, really full of beef. Do you like yours really full of beef?
Well, you know, I'm going with the...
That's like a fourth, huh?
I know, but that's
maybe a third.
Usually what you get.
Is it?
When you buy when you go through the drive-thru.
Okay.
Then what? Cheese? Or is cheese on top? I'm gonna go cheese.
I like cheese.
I like the cheese to melt.
I like the cheese to melt too.
Hot beef.
Yeah, I totally agree with that.
Okay. And we're gonna go with some tomatoes.
We'll do some cheese too here.
And some lettuce.
Oh yeah. Oh, that looks like a little mini
Taco bao.
Taco bao.
I'm just gonna go just straight up like this. Maybe I'll do another one later.
Let's get some lettuce in here.
The hot sauce though.
Oh, you need you need some hot sauce on top of there. There you go.
All right, can't forget
a hot sauce.
The hot sauce.
Oof, look at that. That looks just like a taco. Check that out. Gosh, that looks delicious.
All right.
Should we try it?
Yeah, let's go in.
I'm not going to put this thing down. I'm going to try it.
Yeah, I mean, it's going to spill all over the place.
Yeah, I'm going to try it.
All right.
Hot diggity, if that doesn't taste just like a...
Like taco bao?
Like taco bao.
No, that's... Okay.
That was pretty good. Man.
It's almost like... I don't know. It's good.
It is really good.
You know what might make it better?
Oh, it'll make it better.
What if we waffle it?
Oh! Can you waffle it?
I think we can waffle it.
I think we can waffle it.
If you want to grab that waffle iron, I'll make one up.
Okay.
All right. Accelerated version. Maybe we can time lapse this later. Got our beef.
There we go. And while Jimmy's doing that, I'm going to finish up my other taco bao here.
Oh, look. Waffle iron's ready to go.
Waffle iron's ready.
Now, do you think we should let us now or let us later?
Do let us now, man.
Let us waffle now?
Let us waffle now.
Let us waffle. All right. Sauce later?
Yeah.
I think sauce later.
I think so.
All right. We're going to stuff this all in here. And we're going to... Should we get the line or should we just try to keep it on just the waffle part?
I think we just get the waffle part there.
All right. So we're going to go like this.
Just go right... Yeah, there we go.
There we go.
You ready?
Yep. Ready?
Go. Watch that finger.
Hear that
sizzle?
sizzle?
It's sizzling there. Sizzling. Lovely.
We didn't really grease it. I hope it doesn't stick.
I know. I hope not too.
Should we get a little press on it? A little press? Just a little press.
Man.
A little press?
The OG is good.
I don't want to... No big presses. Oh, yeah. I want to try this guy.
Oh.
Like I said, we need a little soy sauce.
Yeah, definitely need a little bit of soy sauce in there.
I think the traditional chashu with taco bell sauce.
Oh, and we're doing some fusion here, huh?
Indeed.
All right.
All right, I don't think it's gonna take long.
All right,
Let's get in there and take
check it
a
out.
peek.
Oh
yeah.
Oh, look at that.
All right. Let's get this on a clean plate here. So you can definitely waffle bao. How about waffle bao?
Waffle Bao. Here, you want some sauce on top of that?
Taco waffle bao? All right, we're going straight waffle style.
Look at that guy.
Here, let's get some of these on
Get
here
some
too.
pickled onions in there.
All right, split it.
Oh man. Sure.
Halvesies?
Halvesies.
There you go.
Sure.
All right.
Let's see if we can waffle bao. Pretty sure
There you go.
looking like we can here. Got pickled onion on top. Yum.
All right. Mine's starting to fall apart a little.
I'm gonna, yeah, just.
A big bite, but it's worth it.
Yeah. You can definitely waffle
Waco?
taco bao. You
Yep.
can definitely waffle taco bao for sure.
All right, I'm in. Well, maybe we should start a Taco Bao truck.
Taco bao truck, yep.
Yeah. All right. I think we
good.
successfully played with our food.
I think we did too. I think we do too, and I think we could let our intern and one of our students come in here and play with some taco bao as well, and
Yeah.
let them make some. What do you think?
Yeah.
All right,
Why don't I get on here?
Ryan, Casey, come on in here.
Here, let me get my dirty dish out of here.
Yep, here we go.
So we need a second opinion.
Yeah.
Go ahead, make your own mix.
Make
see
your own
what you
mix.
like. I guess we need a third and fourth opinion.
We have some jardiniere here too. If y'all want some jardiniere, some spicy vegetable mixture,
Spicy veg.
some pickled vegetable mixture there.
For the meat eaters in the
All
room.
right.
This is what
How
this
about
is
that?
for.
We got some plates. Yum. Oh, okay. Throw some steak in there.
This is for you, Jason.
Oh, you make one for me? Well,
Yeah.
you need to make one for you. I've already had two.
Yeah, I have none of it.
You can have some vegetable stuff. Here's some onion and ginger
Do
and
you like Taco
cilantro. That's vegetarian. There's some lettuce there. Said the jardiniere is vegetarian.
Cool.
Try that out.
I'm remaking it.
Okay. We'll do some
How about
tomatoes
you
there.
say goodbye to mine? Here. Hold on,
She
hold
already
on.
has her. Nice to meet
Here,
you.
you go for it. You dive in, and I will
Take
finish
all this other in here.
my beautiful vegetables.
I like this little steel basket. It's pretty
Yeah.
fun to play with.
Is it better with it?
Personally, I think you can't have Taco Bell without that stuff. But it's totally up to you.
That's ginger. Just a tiny bit. Just a little tiny bit of that.
It's not tiny bit.
Yeah, you want to get a big pop of ginger.
So it's just tight.
Here, use a fork for that.
I want to waffle mine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna waffle it.
Some jardiniere in there.
Sure.
Alright? It's pretty
Jardiniere's
good.
more Italian there, but that's fine.
You're getting all wonky over there. Taco Bell.
Yeah, it's a
Was
little
there
too
there?
much for me.
Yeah. We're having some of the taco bao.
That's an interesting way to go at it.
Just right at the top.
It's good.
So we got approval. Is that number 3 and 4? Should we start a Taco Bell truck?
Yeah.
Well, we gotta waffle
that.
it.
Oh, we're gonna waffle one here.
Waffle Bell.
Waffle bao with cheese. Oh man.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us for Asian Pacific Islander Appreciation Month. It was really fun getting to play with some bao and
Yeah.
do some fusion.
Yeah, that was really tasty. Taco bao. You can make a taco out of bao,
And you can waffle it.
and you can waffle it.
I'd
Excellent
say it's
job.
an overall success.
I think so too. We were successful today, so good job on that. Thank you all very much. Until next time,